Steven here with 501 Parts. How y'all doing today? So I've got a lot of folks calling in, emailing about how to remove the switch on a Yamaha Rhino. So right here I've got a 2006 660 Rhino. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how to remove the four-wheel drive switch out of it. On this one particular, and this happens to a lot of them, I'll turn my headlamp on, kind of see how this sticks. Like it'll just kind of sticks, you know. So there's a way to take that out and fix it. There's some ball bearings inside of here that this pivots on. You can actually salvage this switch. But to take it out, kind of see up in here. Let me get a good angle here. So you need a 8mm wrench and a Allen wrench right here. So the best way we found is to put if you've got a swivel 8mm wrench, get on the bottom here, get on the top with an Allen wrench, hold it. This one comes out pretty easy. This one's a little bit more challenging. Hold it with the open end of the wrench and then turn the top with an Allen wrench. You know, turn a half turn or so at a time, you'll get it out. This switch actually pulls out from the back. I'm gonna go ahead and do that for the sake of time. I've got some of the bolts already loosened up here. So I've got the bolts out here in my hand. Once you've got the bolts out, come in here, just give it a little thump. So I'll go right through the dash. Come back around here, then just pull it out. And you can see your two plugs right here. When you're checking your switch, this is what you'll be testing. We've got another video on taking the switch apart, cleaning the switch, that'll actually fix this slider problem. This video is just kind of show you how to take out the four-wheel drive switch. All right, thanks for watching.